Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So first and foremost, I would like to apologize for my voice. I'm starting to lose it because of some allergies, so bear with me. Also, this is not going to be the longest video on earth because of that problem. I feel horrible, but we're going to get something done today. We're going to be working back on the hood. I'm going to try and get some of this stuff cut out and try and figure out what I need to do for this front piece. The front piece is completely missing in some parts, like right here, which you can't see. And then in other spots, it's thick and it's good. And all we need to do is patch it up. So we do have a lot of work to do on that. Now, I am going to weld some of the bracing back to the hood as well. That is missing. It was glued, and I think welding might make it a little bit more stronger and a little bit better so that we can do that. Now, there is a crack on that side that I need to weld up as well and just make everything line up perfect. Now, this Datsun is not going to be a perfect build like it wasn't on the C10. I am not an expert whatsoever, so whatever you see here, take it with a grain of salt. Not perfect whatsoever, but let's go ahead and hop right in, and we're going to start sanding a little bit on the hood, get rid of some of this crap that's on it, and just start moving around and tacking stuff and getting things welded up so that it looks a lot better. All right, so we did a bunch of stuff on that hood that I don't feel like just sitting there and doing it over and over for you guys, so you just have to get tormented like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this fender well and start just grinding away some of the rust or the rust covering on it and get down to what bare metal looks like, which would really help in the future of this project because I want to see how bad rust is around this thing. So we're going to start here and just start sanding away and see what kind of rust comes up. All right, so as you can see, it actually cleaned up pretty well. There's a little rust. I need to just clean it off like dirt. But we have all the way down to bare metal here. We have a couple spots we're going to have to weld up. Not the end of the world. Really not that upset. But what we do have here coming in a couple weeks is some upgrades to our sandblasting pot. And the reason we're going to do that is because our sandblasting pot, all the way back from 5-6 years ago, the rubbers are starting to fall apart. Everything's just not that great. So what we're doing there is we're going to upgrade that and then use it on the Datsun. So I am going to have to clean out the entire engine bay of everything. So everything on the front end of this car is going to come off, including the suspension. We're going to roll it outside. We are going to work from here forward. My goal with this project is getting everything done underneath. As far as rust, the rocker in the back, I don't really care about quite yet. I want to get this thing running and driving. Once it's running and driving, I can pull it in and do small projects down the line. Because that's the real goal of this project, is to have a runner and driver. So I can drive this thing. No, it won't look great whatsoever, but we'll be able to handle it. Like, I have a huge hole in the floorboard of the driver's side. Need to fix that. Need to, fix little minor things. We got to fix the suspension. We get a good suspension under this thing. We get a good floor. And then we can start working on the outside, the doors. Doors, I can pull off a door and fix it and put it right back on. Not a big deal. But that's kind of the project I want to angle at. Like, yes, the engine's over there and on a stand, and I have to rebuild it. Once I get those two pistons out, which I might send to the machine shop and see what they can do. But we're going to work on that process. We're going to work on trying to fix everything in the engine bay. Have a little bit of rust here and here. In the engine bay where the rod is for the hood. That whole bar across there, we need to rip off some things there. But everything up here is actually still pretty solid. And we have to rip everything out. I want to look more at the frame rails because there are some spots that I'm not 100% in love with. So we're going to cut those out and fix that. Like I have a hole that I can see right across from there. But hey, that's a part of a car that's this old and was kind of sitting for a while. But this is going to be really, really, really fun in my opinion because once this thing gets running and driving, this will make this project a lot easier. If I could get the whole front end and drive this car done, that's awesome. So in the upcoming weeks, we're going to finish working on the hood. I have to cut out the whole front strip, fix that. I have to start working in here. There's a hole here, get that welded up, weld up this stuff, get it all grinded back, which I ran it out of sanding discs, so I got to order some more of those. Now, there's a lot of work left to be had on this thing, a lot of parts. As you can see, rubber is just gone. But hey, that's what makes this project fun. This is what's going to make it an unbelievable thing when this car drives. Now, I know I have some doubters, some who don't really like welding and grinding who think I should just throw this thing out. But no, this thing is history. This thing is a cool little car. I really want to get this thing running and driving. And now, obviously, you guys know, if that engine can't be saved, LS swap. But hey, hopefully we'll figure out whether or not that engine can be saved in an upcoming video. So make sure you stick around. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps us out. We'll make this channel grow. It doesn't hurt you at all. Only takes a half a second, and it helps us immensely. But we'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the Datsun.